thanks for staying with us. A big breaking news is coming in. We have been given to understand the police has arrested a stalker in the shocking Gurugram case. The Gurugram police has arrested him for performing obscene acts near a woman at Rajiv Chowk on the Delhi-Jaipur highway. According to the police, the accused works as an assistant manager with a private company. He was arrested based on evidence derived from reviewing footage from numerous CCTV cameras and also through technical investigation. The accused will be produced in a city court today. Officials swung into action after the victim, who works as a model and an Instagram influencer, shared the video on social media and also demanded action into the matter.
एमटेक इसने गुरुग्राम के एक निजी कॉलेज से की है। सिविल इंजीनियर से ये एमटेक है। फिलहाल किसी प्राइवेट नौकरी में गुरुग्राम में ये नौकरी कर रहा है। देखिए, अभी एक्यूज को पुलिस के द्वारा अरेस्ट किया गया है। इसका क्रिमिनल बैकग्राउंड इसके रिहायशी पुलिस स्टेशन से चेक करवाया जाएगा और अगर यदि वहाँ भी कोई इस तरह की कोई एफआईआर या कोई केस इसके अगेंस्ट पाया जाता है तो वो उसको करंट केस में इन्वॉल्व करके फर्दर जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन है इसकी पूरी की जाएगी। वीडियो जो सोशल मीडिया पर थी उसमें ये युवक मास्क का इसने प्रयोग किया गया था और जो घटनास्थल था उसके आसपास भी कोई नज़दीक में कोई सीसीटीवी कैमरा नहीं था। इसकी वजह से थोड़ी दिक्कतें पुलिस को हुई, बट सैकड़ों की संख्या में पुलिस के द्वारा सीसीटीवी कैमरों की जांच की गई है और उस जांच और टेक्निकल इन्वेस्टिगेशन के बेस पर ही इस आरोपी को पुलिस के द्वारा अरेस्ट किया गया है।
Now the very model who is behind the case, Sony Singh, is joining us here on broadcast. Sony, thank you so much for speaking to News 9. It must be very disturbing for you. You have narrated the entire audio through your social media profile. We would want to know more details with regards to what exactly transpired initially. Did you try contacting police or the women helpline number initially when you saw him, doing the obscene act in front of you?
No, I didn't. I didn't try to call the police or the women helpline immediately. I tried to contact them when I came back to my home, and then I tweeted and called the women helpline and the police, but I didn't get any proper solution or any kind of help. So I got the help when I published the video on the social media.
Right. What kind of response did you get from the police when you finally informed them, Sony?
They were like cooperating a lot from their ends, and they really arrested and caught the accused.
Now that the man has been arrested, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling relieved, but this just isn't about me. There are so many cases that goes unreported, and we should stand up and take proper action on those things, and we should speak up for ourselves. Then only the society and the judicial will support us.
Absolutely. Sony, if I could also take you back to the incident, what were you doing in that area? How did you encounter this man?
So I was coming from the Jaipur to Gurugram and I was waiting for my cab there. So then the man came near to me and started doing this horrible thing in front of me.
And you did not try to stop him? Did you confront him?
No, I didn't. I was froze. I didn't know like what to do at the time, how to react or something like that.
Were there other people? Was it a crowded area, Sony? Were there other people who saw him doing that?
It was like a very heavy traffic there, but not so many people were around me. The people were, but they were nearly 200 to 300 meters far away from me.
Did you get to know anything about this man? Because what information we have collected here is that he is some assistant manager at some of the private firm. Has he been involved in such activities in the past? Did you get to know anything about that?
I am very shocked that he is a married man. He have a child, and I'm feeling very pity for his family. But as he has commenced a crime, so he should be punished for that. I know what to do about his family and all. I'm feeling very helpless and sorry for them just because of this man.
Right. What kind of action you want the police to take in this matter now?
This is not about anything personal. This is about the crime, and the judicial and the law will decide the punishment according to the seriousness of the case.
All right, Sony, thank you so much for speaking to News 9, providing us more details with regards to what transpired. Luckily, the man has now been arrested. The investigation is currently underway against him. We'll see what kind of action will be taken against him. Sony, again, thank you so much for joining us.